Mr. Joseph Fernandez, IT manager of Royal Caribbean Cruise Liners. Joseph, what do you have to say? And I'm seeing you actively involved in this breast cancer camp. Some few words on that.
So basically, we all are aware that cancer is also a major issue, with, especially in places like for women where they don't come out openly to do their test. So the reason behind this awareness is to get the ladies out, especially the women community, because they have to understand that it is a major factor that affects their lives. And basically we know that women are also very important in every family, and if they don't take care of themselves, then obviously the entire system around us that happens, like, especially for families, we lose some very loved one. And so by Rocky, who is also our social worker from Kurturi, he has decided this is his fourth camp, and I have got involved because it's in our constituency of Raya, and the response seems to be good, as you can see.
I've seen you actively involved in the social causes. Also seen you in some banners flying around. Uh, what is it? Something that you're standing for elections?
So
Or
there is a yes. It would be wrong on my part, and it would be hypocritical if I don't say that I'm not getting involved. Yes, I am. Some people had come here. They had shown their interest since I've been actively involved behind the curtains. I do not like, as you know, I don't like to do much. Besides being, with the GSAI, Goa Seamen Association, for more than 15 years, I thought I should give it a try, because the reason being is that people said, good people don't come forward, that's why the bad people get in. I'm not sure as of now what is going to be the category of the constituency, but I'm definitely taking a part.
okay, in a brief way, now you're as you said that good people don't come, bad people or whatever it is, etc. What how would you get into it? Like, as you have already said that you want to stand for elections. What is in your agenda? A few points. What is missing and what you want to do in.
You see, there are many things. Like one of the main thing is we have the national education framework, and people keep talking about education policies. What people don't understand is that the framework is already established. Okay, and we have to go with the framework. Instead of going through the framework, we are deciding to do what our policy is. The education policy is a total. If I go on that topic, we can keep on going. It's a 400-page policy which I have read, and you need to understand where we are going. As you said, I'm an IT for cruise ships, but I also work from home. I work as a contractor for Oracle. But the IT right now is a farce in there. It is not to the level where we should be putting it compared to what it was 20 years ago. This I can definitely give you, be quite confidently I can tell you. Our IT policies are just there by paperwork, but we are not following it. Like Data Protection Act, there are a lot of things that we have to. Cyber security, I don't see that happening. It is totally way behind. We are way behind right now.
See, now cruise liners, we have all heard about chef and front office or whatsoever, etc. But you are one of the rare this in IT. Can you just briefly tell what is your job exactly on the ship?
So when we started, Goans are the first people everywhere. So the same question what you asked me, when I went for my interview, this is in 1998. I'm one of the first IT manager in Goa and India actually to join cruise ships. People thought Goans are only bakers or hospitality or waiters, which is not. So when we went into IT, and especially from our constituency in Raya, we have the maximum IT managers. Not that also people are not aware of. We have about more than 8. Okay, so when you ask me about this, I have 25 years of service, and I have worked and opened also ships, and some of the biggest ships in the world. So even Empress, which you see coming to Goa, I have set it up, and I have also handed it over to Royal Caribbean.
Do you believe in any, now as you are standing, do you have joined any personal a party or something, a political party, or you are freelance, or you have intentions later?
Right now I'm independent. Rocky from Aam Aadmi has come in, and a couple of people from other parties also have said they would support me silently. But that is to the whims of the people. I will not. I cannot speak for them. Whatever I have to do, I will try.